You need to understand that this is not a death sentence anymore. It can be suppressed. You can live a long, healthy life and still have HIV. You don't need to be afraid of somebody with HIV. We're trying to get people to watch something and then take part in it. Like, this is real life. This isn't just a story for you. This is something that you have a part in and potentially could make a difference if you stood up for something that you saw that was going wrong.
We've been reading these transcripts, and there are a lot of accounts of family members who hold this stigmatizing view that their HIV positive son or daughter can't drink out of the same plates or cups as them, things like that. But it really seems like from the transcripts that the reason that these parents or these family members hold these views is out of ignorance or out of fear, or maybe even a little bit of like resentment that, you know, their son or daughter is going through a painful experience.
It's important that Trinity is doing it because it's giving some validity to an issue that I think a lot of people push under the rug, or people assume that it's a gay disease, it's something that only affects, you know, a niche section of the community and is not a problem anymore. But when an institution like Trinity is doing a whole grant given to us to research the kind of things that people are going through and bring them out into the light, I think it's really important because it shows that, oh, this isn't just something that's pushed under the rug. This is something that's still affecting people today. And this is something that deserves attention. I think that theater as a tool to inform and change people's lives is really powerful. Doing this project has really inspired me that the arts are such an important medium to promote change. Like, I want people to see what others have gone through and what others are still going through.